Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Lakeview Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in my.lakeview.com/loancare and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Lakeview Mortgage and you will enter the login section. Click on sign in with your loan care ID. And now you will be able to access the login portal. Just type in your user ID within the user ID box that you have set while creating your account within the first place, and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your Lakeview Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the need help signing in button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Lakeview Mortgage account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.